Now let's mosey on over to the Intense 5. So Uber might not be as popular in JA as it is elsewhere, but they want to make a difference, so they are offering 3,000 free rides to vaccination centers anywhere in Kingston. All you have to do is download the app and get going.
Wow. The Reggae Boyz put up a good fight, but still went down 2-1 to Mexico.
Dolce & Gabbana brought out all the stars in Venice for their show. J-Lo, Ciara, Jennifer Hudson, Vanessa Bryant, Diddy, and his daughters, you name it, they were there looking like they all stepped off the pages of a magazine.
Yeah, man. So, even though a bench warrant has been issued for the arrest of dancehall artist Popcorn after he failed to show in the Yalas traffic court, Poppy is making strides in the fashion world. He has partnered with Amsterdam-based streetwear line Daily Paper. The line features hoodies and shirts, with the unruly logo, so you can check it out. Check out their IG page.
And finally, holding the #1 spot this week, Raheem Sterling risked getting penalized after dedicating his goal to his childhood friend Steffi Greg, who died earlier this week from COVID. After scoring, he removed his England jersey to reveal a shirt that said, "Love you forever, Steffi Greg." COVID is very real, guys. Keep safe. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on IG for the latest in everything Intense.